Kick, kick, kick! It's like a ride now.
So did your in-laws come for breakfast too?
No. Apparently he understands nada, nada.
Nada, nada? Oh.
Like swim, swim.
Sounds like nothing, nothing.
I know. Kick, kick, kick!
A bee or something?
He let go. He doesn't. Okay, I get it.
Kick, baby!
Kick, kick, kick! Kick.
There we go. Oh, he's so beautiful.
No, he drinks water.
Don't drink it.
He'll get diarrhea.
He drinks water right now.
Careful.
You can always put the pacifier in there. Plug it up. He doesn't need to be encouraged to use that.
He hasn't had it very much today, actually.